Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enroll to webinars on investing.com. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the investing.com app, and after that, when you are at the first page, then you have to click on the more option, which is at the bottom of the screen. Then click on the webinars, which is at the tools section, and you can see here the upcoming webinars. And if you want to enroll in one of them, you have to click on that enroll button. And it says that this free webinar is brought to you by Alvexo. Please agree to be contacted by Alvexo in order to finalize your webinar registration, and we will send a code to verify your phone number. Here you have to add your phone number, and you can choose to text me the code or call me with the code, and you enter the code, and after that you will be contacted by this person, and then you will be enrolled, and you can follow this free webinar. So here you can see the topic, the date, the exact time. So this is for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.